Hi there guys, this is me Hajra Vadhariya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am back with another vlog, and in my last vlog it was about Naimal's birth and you guys showed so much love and appreciation, so I thought let's make more vlogs and videos related to Naimal. So today is a very special day and a very special vlog for you guys. As you can see, I'm all set because we are going out. Firstly, I'm very happy because I barely go out in this situation of corona, as corona cases are also growing nowadays, so we are avoiding going out now that we are more careful because we have a small, very tiny little baby at our place, so we need to be more careful. So we are not really going out a lot, but today we have to, so because it's important and it's special. So today actually we are about to distribute Naimal's birth announcement mithai. So yeah, this, these tiny little things are so special, and I really enjoyed making the last vlog as well, and just thinking about when Naimal will grow up and she'll see all these vlogs and all these memories, just it just motivates me to make more. So today was a very special day, and I'm gonna show you guys the mithai we got. Cupcakes made for her birth announcement distribution, तो मैं आपको वो भी दिखाऊंगी, and we are going out distribute करने के लिए. So I thought, why not make this small little memory into a vlog to share it with you guys, and also to keep with us and for her to see when she grows up. So I'm going to show you guys the mithai and everything. So let's go. I'll take you guys along today, and let's jump right into the vlog. And you know the drill: like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so these are all the mithais. These are actually all the cupcakes, and we got custom packaging, custom cupcakes. I'm gonna share all the details in a while. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is our box right here. Oh my god, I love how cute this is. Oh my god, look. I really wish that a camera picks everything right. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the cupcake. Also, I'm gonna insert some clips so that you can see the custom cupcakes that we got made. And we got it made from this page called The Vanilla Beans on Instagram. I'm gonna mention their name around the screen, and I'm also going to link their Instagram down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. They have the best cupcakes, and these are so yum. I just had them, and I had to. They're just so good, I couldn't resist. So moist, so fresh and so yummy, absolutely stunning. And she did everything according to what I wanted, everything custom, and everything is so good, from presentation, decoration, even the flavor and everything, exactly what I wanted. So I really love, and I loved her service, customer service, dealing with her. It was just an amazing experience, and I highly, when I'm saying it, I really mean it, I freaking highly recommend you guys to do check her out. And if you have anything coming up, or if you want any cakes, cupcakes, cakesicles, anything, you can just go ahead and trust her, and I give you 100% guarantee you will love your experience. So yeah, that's about the cupcakes, firstly. Second of all, coming to this packaging, again, this was custom. So even this card that we have, this was designed by creatives by HV. I'm gonna insert the name around the screen, and I'm also going to leave their link in the description box down below, so you can get these, cards design. You can get your poems written from them, your logos, posters, slogans, so they can do all of that creative stuff for you. And they designed the card for us. We got it printed, by the same person who did the packaging, this box. So this custom box is from Concept Packages. I'm gonna insert, they don't have any Instagram handle or Facebook handle, so I'm gonna insert their name around the screen, and I'm gonna leave their contact number and email address in the description box below, so you can get your custom boxes or custom bags or any, you know, printing stuff. They will do exactly what you want, and literally we decided this style of the box, you know, our family, and with this entire designing and print, and they exactly made what we wanted. And also they are not very expensive, so you can contact them. I highly recommend the packaging person, the cupcake girl, and also Creatives by HV, who designed our card. They also designed our this board right here, right there. This was also designed by Creatives by HV. So I highly recommend them. They make amazing designs, so you can always contact them. For packaging also, I loved my experience, and you can see how adorable these cupcakes and this packaging is. I'm so happy. And now, as you can see, I'm already, you know, a little bit of makeup, not too much because I didn't have time, honestly. And now we'll be leaving, we'll be loading all these boxes in our car, and we'll go distribute. So we actually got 100 boxes made from you know, we got 100 boxes, but we got 50 delivered today, which is Tuesday, and we'll got rest of the 50 tomorrow, which is Wednesday, because, you know, we couldn't distribute 100 in one day, so we thought of doing 50-50, and today we'll be distributing 50, and tomorrow again 50. So I'll take you guys along today and tomorrow. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and this is going to be an amazing and a very special vlog and memory for me, you guys, Naimal, and my entire family. So now let's go quickly distribute Naimal's birth announcement cupcakes. Yay! Halfway done. Laiba, say hi. Laiba, say hi. Say hi. Okay, so we are halfway done, and a couple of boxes are left. तो वो देने हैं, और बाकी हम सारे कल देंगे. अब just a couple of boxes are left, and then we'll head back home. I'm so tired already, but this is such a good experience. Like, I have never done this before. Like, yeah. Yeah, show them this box. So they've already seen the box, but yeah. So we have a couple of boxes here जो भी आपको नहीं दिखेंगे, बाकी पीछे रखे हुए. So yeah, just look at me. What the? So लाइबा के पैर जो है ना वो नंगे हो रहे. Why? Because मैंने उससे चप्पल छीन लिए थे. So actually we got into a fight, and she was wearing my slippers. She's also wearing my dress though. अब मैंने obviously dress तो नहीं लिया. So I took my slippers back from her, and now she's all nanga पैर. No, she's wearing her very gande slippers. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for my brother. वो किसी के घर पे देने गए हुए हैं मिठाई. Okay guys, so welcome back to day 2, and again today we are also going to be distributing a lot of Naimal's birth announcement cupcakes. So guys, we are en route of giving away all the birth announcement cupcakes. Guys, you can see I'm so tired, और गाड़ी में बैठ के सबको दे के थक गए. Look at my eyes, I'm so done. That's about the update. I'm tired. Hi guys, and welcome to day 3, and today we are finally done distributing all the Naimal's birth announcement cupcakes. A few of them were left today, so I had to definitely send them through by IKEA because I was so tired. I was so tired, literally, you guys. In these 2 days, it was so hectic. Like, I was so excited about it, but then it ended up so hectic. But also, it is all about memories, and I did enjoy it, but it was hectic. So today we got done with all of that, and today, after like, I don't know how long, I'm finally going to a shadi. So there's like an engagement in my family, so I'm going to attend that quickly. This is going to be my first COVID wedding experience, so looking forward to that. And also, I'm literally going out this glammed up after like so long. Last weddings that I attend were in January 2020, and it's literally December. So like one freaking year almost, which is so long. So yeah, like, this is my look for today. It's an engagement, so I didn't do much, but I wanted that ring. I did want it to get ready because after all, it's been so many months sitting at home, and I'm just attending a wedding after so long. It's not a wedding, it's an engagement, but sort of that, like that. So let me show you guys my outfit really quick. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. This is my brother's nikah outfit, जो मैंने March 2019 में wear किया था. And that's mom. She's also ready, so we are going. And yeah, this is the outfit. So this is mama's outfit, and this is mine. I'm gonna attach our details somewhere around the screen or in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I'm just waiting for my brother ताकि वो हमें drop कर दे. I'm just obsessed because I've got ready after so long. Like, बनता है. These are the flowers. Let's go. Okay guys, so that was it about this small little vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do let me know in the comment section down below, and do let me know if you want me to make more such small vlogs for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe. That was it for today's vlog, and I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. I love you guys. Bye bye.